Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on XMC Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in client.mcanfinancial.com/login and press enter. You will now be taken into the MCAN XMC Mortgage login page. Now simply type in your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box, and then type in your account password underneath within the password section. You can then tap on the login button and you will be logged in to your XMC Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the having trouble logging in button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your MCAN XMC Mortgage account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.